Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. It is Friday, and you'll see this video when it gets done. It's late in the day now, but I started the video earlier when I got here at the camper. As you can tell, I'm at the camper. Don't mind my vacuum, it doesn't have a home. I brought it from home because of the work we were doing here. I'm going to need to vacuum when we're all done. So it sits there, so don't mind the camper, or it doesn't fit in any of the closets. It's a shark. My daughter-in-law calls it the beast. I love that vacuum. Anyway, this isn't about vacuums. And this video isn't going to be really about crochet. It's going to be about what's going on in my camper. So I had mentioned that we had some water damage, and I showed you some pictures of what the destruction looked like. Our friend, Roy's friend, and with and without Roy, our friend came even when Roy wasn't here, and worked on the inside of the wall. We had a leak in the window, and it rotted out some of the wall. The wall on the outside is some kind of like plasticky, fiberglassy kind of stuff. The wall on the inside is a very thin wood, and it's coated in some kind of a, like this wallpapery stuff here. It's got like a plasticky kind of texture to it. Kind of similar to that contact paper wallpaper stuff. It's not really paper, it's not paint. But it's kind of like that contact wallpaper stuff that you can peel and remove. But it's not really contact paper. Anyway, that's what the outside of the wall is, but the inside is a very thin wood. So they had to take a lot of stuff apart, cut off a couple inches of the wood, and I showed you that in a previous video, what it looked like all destroyed. And so now I'm going to show you what it looked like when I got here, what they had done to put it back together, and what it looks like now, and what's still left to be shown. So there's a couple of different clips, and we'll put that together. And that will be my video for today, because I think you guys would, so if you don't want to watch it, that's completely 100% fine. I totally understand. I have no yarn in this video. But I did go on a trip today. We went to Hartville Hardware. So I took video of that. But if I try to put them all into one video, I'm going to get confused on what goes next. So we're going to do the camper video today, and that'll go up today. And then I'm going to piece together the things of the trip to Hartville Hardware, because it's a very unique store. And I didn't decide to do the video until I was inside the store. So we've got inside the store and then outside the store, and a little of the compound that it's on. And so that'll all be in tomorrow's video, because tomorrow I have a wedding, a 50th wedding anniversary to go to. We have some more reconstruction here, not a great deal. And then there'll be a lot of travel time, so I don't know how much crocheting I'm going to get done. So I want to get the video done now, and it'll be ready to go for tomorrow, because I have to do a video a day. I've been challenged. So tomorrow's video will not be a yarn video either. Sorry. But it will be a trip to a very unique hardware store, so I hope you like that. I hope you enjoy this video today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing. I know my channel is supposed to be a yarn content channel, and I try very hard to do that. But with this video a day, every day for the rest of the year challenge, there's reasons that I normally don't do videos every day, because I don't have crochet stuff enough every day. So bear with me, and I hope you're enjoying the daily vlog, even if it's not crochet related. But anyway, check out the camper, see what has happened, and I'll see you in a video tomorrow. Bye. So we have some camper progress, because I know you guys are interested. Roy has put, the last time you saw this, the cabinet here was missing, the couch was missing, and this wall was missing. So he's got the couch back in, he's got the cabinet on. This is the underneath side. You can see it's dark on one, there you go, dark on the bottom. So we're gonna put this back up, and then we'll put the curtains back up, and then we have some trim, and I think it's pretty much good to go, right babe?
Yeah.
Well, let me clean this up. So, cupboard's on, the underneath part of the cupboard is on, so now it's got to finish underneath. The, what do they call those? The cornices, and the curtains are back on, and the shades. He did a really good job. He had a, whatever, they work. It's dark outside now. So these little guys, oh, did he put that one on? Oh, he did. So let me show you how this works. These curtains are not like real full curtains, but they've got this little thing like that. And so you just put the hem, and I thought he did this. Sure. Maybe. Well, hold on. Okay, so then you just slide the hem on. And it fits around. And that's how the curtains go. The one on this side of here broke. No, the one on this side broke. This couch lays down, and you pick up this bottom and fold it up, and then it flattens out, and you can sleep on it. I think it's supposed to be like 2 kids can sleep on the couch. And the problem is where they put that bracket on that curtain, when you lift the couch up to fold it, it hits that, and we broke it at one point. So I need to order another one, and I haven't in years. And on this curtain by my dinette, I don't know how that one got broken, but it did. So we took that one off and replaced it with the other end of that one. And so now the curtains by the dinette are good, and I need to order 2 for this window. And then that's all good. So we still have to fix this. Molding needs to go on tomorrow. And we bought a molding strip when we were at the hardware store to go here. Because we had to, that wood under there was rotten. So they cut that wood off, but we bought a piece of molding, and we dyed it this dark wood color. And, not dyed it, stained it. And Roy's friend is coming over to help him finish that tomorrow. And when we were at the RV show, we found this camper that has the same type, they call this a jackknife, has the same type of jackknife couch, and they put bins underneath. Now let me pause. Oh, we're recording, sorry. Okay. So under normal circumstances, the couch looks like that. There's a board that goes in front. It's supposed to be screwed in, and it was originally the same dark fabric as this. But the dog used to rub up against it, and she got it all dirty. So I covered it in marine vinyl, and I used a lighter color. And it brightens it up so much. But yeah, Lacey used to think that was her scratching post or something. Once I put the marine vinyl on it, she didn't rub up against it anymore. But it did brighten it up a great deal to put the light color. And it like matches the sofa, or the light color in here. But it really brightened up the room a lot. So anyway, that goes on there. And I never did screw it back in. I just leaned it up against there. and the dog stairs always kept it in place. But when we were at the RV show, we saw RVs that they took this jackknife camper, a jackknife couch, and they put bins underneath like that. And I'm like, I love it. You could just pull the, the thing down and you can put all kinds of storage. So I just brought different size bins to see what fits. And that's what fits. So that's how the couch looks like finished. It's like that. So we're just, put that little piece of board up there and the trim. And I'll show you the trim is supposed to look like, don't mind my space over here, but the trim looks like this. And so when you get that trim back on, you won't even, you won't even know there was ever an issue. It's all fixed. They did a great job.